Hey everyone, I'm Jeep Mama, and today I thought I'd share a quick little how-to video. In my last video, I shared with you 2 magic buttons, but wait, there's more. So I thought I'd share with you one more button, and this button is on most all Jeep Wranglers, not just the Rubicon, and it's called the Hill Descent Control Button. And I've used this once or twice just to see what it does, and it's a pretty cool button, and it's amazing that the Jeep does all the driving for you. It's the button on the center of your dash, and it's the button of the vehicle. It doesn't really look like a Jeep, but it's a vehicle going downhill, and it's the Hill Descent Control Button. And all you do is when you're in a situation where you feel you need to have the Jeep do the braking for you, you push this button. Here's how it works. Like I said, I've only used it once or twice just to check it out. You can see this video here. I'm using it going down this hill. And this hill descent control is intended for low speed off-road driving. And what it does is it maintains the vehicle speed while descending hills in off-road driving conditions by applying the brakes when necessary. You know this feature is activated when you see the symbol on your dash. The light will be solid when the HDC, Hill Descent Control, is armed, and it can only be armed when the transfer case is in the 4-wheel drive low position and the vehicle is less than 30 miles per hour. If these conditions are not met attempting to use this feature, the indicator light will flash on and off. However, you can override this by applying the brakes to slow the vehicle down below the HDC control speed. If more speed is desired during this HDC control, all you need to do is hit the accelerator pedal and it will increase your speed in the usual manner. When either the brake or the accelerator is released, the HDC will control the vehicle at that original speed. So here's a tip. All this information I shared with you is in the Jeep manual. All you need to do is head over to the Jeep website and contact them on the Jeep page, and they will send you out a manual for your Jeep Wrangler.